Callaloo Soup. A main dish from Grenada. Serves 8. You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. If using salt meat, cut up and soak for 3/4 to 1 hour. Boil with fresh meat for ½ hour. Step 2. Cut up dasheen leaves and wash thoroughly, then add to beef. Bring to the boil. Add the other ingredients, adjust seasoning. Cook until everything is soft. Add dumplings 10 minutes before
Step 3.
removing fire. Coconut milk method: soak dried grated coconut in hot water. Allow to stand until cool. Strain in fine sieve and squeeze out milk. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.